Well, hello YouTubers. I have another video of my father's knives. There's 2, 4, 6, 7 of them I just recently found. Some of Barlow's and some I don't know what they are. We'll take a look here and I'll open them up and see what the differences are. Hello YouTubers. Again, these 3 top knives here. This one, which looks like it's a hook nose. Open it all the way up there. This one is also a Barlow. Looks like my father had sharpened it quite a bit with the blade being real thin there, and the secondary blade also. This one has part of the handle gone, which he must have carried this knife a lot in his day. This one is another Barlow that he carried. As you can see, one blade's been broke off. Only one exists. I guess Dad liked Barlow's. This is another knife. It's been sharpened quite a bit. Can't tell what brand it is. And of course it lost part of its handle also. Like I said, he carried these knives a lot. This one is a 2-blader. Don't see any markings on it. Real nice pretty color on the handle. This one looks like a pearl handle. Long blade. And the upper bolster is missing. It's a one-bladed knife. And this one is also like a white pearl 2-blade knife. And it's a Sabre. I believe there was another Sabre in this collection here also. As you can tell, he liked to sharpen his knives and keep them sharp. They are very sharp as of today. Okay, YouTubers, there's another small collection of my father's knives. Give me a like and subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching. If anyone has any additional information about these knives, please list in comments below. Thank you for watching.